Good morning, children. This video is for 11th February. We're learning about a triangle and its properties. A triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Already we studied this in lower classes, so that means your 6th class and all we have studied. What is the meaning of this one? All sides have same length and each angle has a measure 60 degree. So when we are having the two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to it is equal only. Similarly here also three sides, so each angle is same only. So we know that angle sum property. So all the three angles are equal means x plus x three times it is equal to 180 degree. So 3x equal to 180, x equal to 60 degree. So what is the meaning of the equilateral triangle? All have the same length. Otherwise what we can say, each angle has a measure of 60 degree. A triangle in which two sides are of equal length, then what is the name of the triangle? Isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are of equal length, then the name of the triangle is isosceles. Isosceles triangle, we have marked two sides. So the angle opposite to this side, which is that one, angle Z. Similarly XZ I have marked. The what is opposite side of the angle? That is opposite angle. For this side it is Y only. So when we are having the equal side here, just check that meeting at where, that is Z only. Similarly XZ I have marked. So which is the opposite angle? Y. So two sides have equal same length. What is the conclusion of an isosceles triangle? It has a two sides equal length and the base angle opposite to this equal sides are equal. Here we have seen that these two angles y and z are equal. So what I should write here means xy equal to xz implies xy, which is the letter is not connected here, z. So angle z I should write equal to xz side I have taken, which is the angle measurement, I have to take angle y. Angle z is equal to angle y. Now similarly I'll go for the other triangle like this, PQR. If I have marked PQ and QR are the equal, what I should write here? PQ equal to QR. Can you tell me what is the opposite angle of PQ? PQ is here only. What is opposite angle? Angle R. Similarly QR is taken. What is opposite angle? Angle P. So the side opposite to equal angles are equal. Find x is the question. So here no letter is given. First we will given by the letter A, B and C here. Now we have to get this also, D here, and I'll put here E. X is here only, right? Now if it is 30 degree, what about this angle you should say? That is, if it is 30, this also 30 for us, because this AE and BD are the intersecting lines. We cannot say here A only, but it is two lines only. These two are intersecting at the point C. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So I'll write here also 30 degree. So what is the name we can give here? Angle DCE equal to angle BCA equal to 30. Reason, vertically opposite angle. Now in triangle ABC, which are the equal sides? AB equal to BC implies AB is the side we have taken, which is the opposite angle, angle C, equal to BC we have taken, which is opposite angle, angle A. That means angle C is, we already got 3, 30, angle A is x. So what is the value for x? X equal to 30 degree. So here we have written AB equal to BC implies angle C equal to angle A. Now how we can write the reason here means angle opposite to equal side, because we are here with angle only. So our reason start with the angle. Angle opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. So these are the steps, and what is the value for x? We got x equal to 30 degree. Find x and y. Here also name is not given, so I'll give the name as P, Q, R, S only. Now what is the equal sides here? P, Q and P, R are equal, and we have to find out x and y only. And what is given in the question? Angle PRS. So I'll write here angle PRS equal to 120 degree. So what you can say about angle PRQ? What is PRQ? Angle, this is 120 degree, it is given in the question. Now the question is PRQ. So here it is, what is the angle measurement? Means 180 minus 120, because it is equal to 60 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. Now we got a PRQ equal to 60 degree. Now you tell me, in triangle PQR, which are the equal sides? PQ equal to PR implies PQ means which is the opposite angle. Let me 1 second. PQ, okay, PQ means which is the opposite angle? Angle R. And PR means which is the opposite angle? Angle Q. Angle R we already got a 60 degree, so angle R equal to angle Q is equal to 60 degree only. So what is the reason I should write here? Angle opposite to equal side. This therefore angle Y equal to PRS equal to 120 equal to or we can say angle PRS equal to x plus y equal to 120. Y is what? 60. Y equal to 60 means x plus 60 equal to 120. Therefore x equal to 60 degree. Find x and y. What is given in the question? Angle M equal to 90 degree, right? So angle M equal to 90 degree, by angle sum property we can say that these two angles sum is also equal to 90 degree only. So we have to find x and y only. So here I'll write here. In triangle LMN, first I am taking angle M equal to 90 degree, it is given, and LM equal to MN implies what is opposite angle here? So angle N equal to angle L, right? Because MN opposite angle is L only. So this shows that angle N we don't know, angle N equal to X we are getting, right? So in triangle LMN, x plus 90 equal to 180, 2x equal to 90, x equal to 45 degree. If x equal to 45, then angle N equal to 45. Now what about angle Y? 180 minus 45. So 180 minus 45 equal to 135. Find x and y again here in the diagram. So here we have 92. What about this? That is also equal to 92. Again these two sides are equal. Then what about this also? If it is x means this is also equal to x only. Now what is x plus y? X plus y equal to 180 degree linear pair. Now let us find out x and y only. Now I have to write angle angle FAE equal to 92 equal to BAC, vertically opposite angle. So we got a BAC as a 92 degree. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC implies angle C equal to angle B equal to X. So 92 plus 2x equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 minus 92. So it is equal to 88 degree. So what is x now? X equal to 44 degree. So we got x equal to 44 degree. Therefore, y equal to 180 minus 44 bilinear pair. So what is the difference? 6 plus 4, 10, balance 5, 1, 5 became, so 136 degree. That is y equal to 136 degree and x equal to 44 degree. Next topic, sum of the length of the two sides of the triangles. So when we are having a triangle, the sides, as you know, that it is AB, BC, AC. We already completed our practical geometry chapter. That means you must know that this condition must satisfy here. So AB, BC, AC means, what is the condition? So means AB plus BC, that is sum of any two sides of this triangle, that is AB I have taken, then BC, it should be greater than the third side. Next, BC plus AC I have taken, so which is not used one, it is AB other than the third side. Now which is left for us? AB plus AC, which should be greater than BC. Now as you know that what is the statement says here means sum of the length of the two sides is greater than the third side. So as you know that 3, 4, 5, a triangle is drawn with the measurements 3, 4, 5, right? That means PQ equal to 3 centimeter, QR equal to 4 centimeter and PR equal to 5 centimeter. So I'll write down here PQ equal to 3 centimeter, QR equal to 4 centimeter and PR equal to 5 centimeter. Now what is the condition I told? Sum of the length of the two sides must be checked. So 3 and 4 I am taking. So what is the values for us? 3, 4, 5. So I have used here 3 plus 4. What is the answer? It is 7. It is greater than the third side, that is 5. Now I am using 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5, what is the answer? 9. So which is not the used one. The third side is 3 this time, so it is greater than 3 also. So we have used 3, 4, right? Now we have made the pair 4, 5. Now which is left? 3 to 5. So 3 plus 5 we are getting as 8. 8 is definitely greater than 4 only. So which is not the used side, the third side we have to use 3 plus 4. The unused one is 5. So this sum should be greater than 5. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Then the unused one is 3 only. So 9 greater than 3. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. That is also greater than 4 only. So what is the conclusion we are studying? Sum of the length of the two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Otherwise, we cannot make the construction of the triangle. Right? Now, when we are taking the measurement, for example, I had taken 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, if we add, what is the sum? We'll get a 3. 3 is not greater than the third side, right? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is greater than 2 only. Again, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 greater than 1. Right. Once again, what is the concept here we have studied? That is 1 plus 2 What are the values we had taken? 1, 2, 5. So when 1 plus 2 we are adding, it is less than 5. This is wrong. Sum of the length of the two sides is greater than the third side. 2 plus 5 we are taken, it is 7 only. It is greater than 1. Now 1 plus 5 equal to 6. It is greater than 2. But in these two cases, the condition is satisfied. But what about this sum of the two sides, that is 1 and 2 equal to 3 only, 3 less than 5. So it's wrong only. That time we cannot construct the triangle only. So when we are trying the triangle, it is not able to coincide. So even if we try this way, means it is a 3 centimeter only. So total here 5 centimeter is there. I can make it like this also, 0 degree. So still the gap is there. It's not a triangle now, right? So sum of the length of the two sides is not greater than third side, means we cannot make a triangle. In this case, which are not there, 2 plus 1 is less than 5. That is why we are unable to make a triangle here. Now you can try with the measurements 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, like that we can try, and you can see that in all the cases sum of the length of the two sides is greater than the third side. Now what about the difference? Difference between the length of any two sides of the triangle is smaller than the length of the three sides. Difference between the length of any two sides of the triangle is smaller than the length of the third side. What I have said, difference between the length of the two sides of the triangle is smaller than the length of the third side. So what is the answer we should get? Last time we have written that when a triangle is given AB plus BC, AB plus BC is greater than the third side. Now we are taking, when we are taking the difference AB minus BC, provided the greater minus lower rule, so AB minus BC is less than AC only. So for example, we will take the measurement of 3, 4, 5. We are able to construct the triangle only. So difference we will take a 4 minus 3, that is 1 less than 5. Next, 4 minus 5 we cannot write a 5 minus 4 equal to 1, that is also less than 3 only. Next, which is left a 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2, which is also less than the which is not used 4, right? So which is less than the 4 only. So whichever sides we have used, it is less than. Whenever we are taking the difference, it is less than the third side. Whenever we are taking the sum, it is more than the greater than the third side. So unless and until we don't know that the sum of the length of the sides is not greater than the third side, then we are unable to make a triangle. So this is the main concept we have studied here. When we want to construct a triangle, what is the first conditions to be satisfied? That is, the sum of the length of the sides is greater than the third side. In case you are going for difference, what is the difference condition? Difference between the length of any two sides of the triangle is smaller than the length of the third side. So like that, when we are taking the difference, it is less than. When we are taking the sum, it is more than. This criteria must be satisfied. Otherwise, we cannot construct the triangle, right? So with this you have studied a triangle some properties, that is one is altitude, median, then what you have studied exterior angle property, some angle sum property. Now we are learned one the condition for making triangle. So sum of the length of the two sides is greater than the third side. Difference of the two sides is less than the third side. With this today's video I am winding up. Thank you.